today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google Merchant Center account. So here I am at Google Merchant Center. Because we don't have an account, we're going to click Get Started, and that'll take us here where you can see it's showing us a few different Google products. We want to hit Get Started under the Merchant Center tab. Now, Merchant Center will want you to sign in if you haven't already signed in with your Google account. I have already, so make sure you sign in if you haven't, and you can see we're starting to create your account. This isn't really important, it's just telling us we can list for free on Google, which is great. We want to enter in our business details. In this case, I'll enter in my business. Select your country. It's important you do this correctly because Google Merchant Center is going to show your products in this country. Select your time zone. Mine is Adelaide. Now, here is the option of where do we want our customers to check out. If you're a physical local store, click this one below, and Google Merchant Center will display your ads like this, or display your content like this with a distance so people can work out how far away they are. Or if not, and they check out on your website, you can select here, and people will see the brand where it's coming from and your delivery options up here instead of the distance. So I'm going to select on my website in this case, but you select what's relevant for you. Now here you want to select what tools you use. The idea here is that Merchant Center is going to link up to these tools. In my case, I don't use any of these tools, so we won't select either of them, but if you do, select them here. Would you like emails? I'll leave that on, and you agree to the Merchant Center account, and you've created your account. It is really that simple, guys. Here we go, as it loads, and this is what Merchant Center looks like. Let's hit continue, and let's finish up a few things. So along the top, you can already see my account information here with my store name, some settings, and then I've got some more information up here on the left. So right away, you can set up tax if you want to. In this case, you might want to set up GST in Australia. You can set up your shipping off the bat. You really want to provide your website URL, especially if you selected ship on checking out, because you have to verify your website so Google really knows that you're creating the Google Merchant Center account that represents your website. And last but not least, we can add product data. This is where you plug in your products so Google knows what you're serving and what you're selling, and it can pull out the images and display them. So that is essentially all that you need to do. The last thing you might want to do is just quickly select, I've read all the policies for free product listings. I haven't read them, but just click it anyway, you got to, and you're pretty much done. Now, I'm not going to set up this sort of thing. You can do that yourself, but it's that easy. Here you go. And you are pretty much done. That's how you create a Google Merchant Center account. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'll speak to you all next time. Ciao, ciao. Keep well.